Hey guys, I'm back today. Today we're gonna work on a Bashan 250. I had this one for at least 3 years, then I sold it 2 years ago to a white guy, and that guy sold it to another guy. And I really didn't think I will see this thing ever again, but this guy who had it fucked it up. So when I sold it, it was in a very good condition. You can still see I painted it purple. The wheels, the frame was purple. All the suspension work I painted white, but yeah, it had different plastics. I'll see on the end of the video, maybe I can post a video how it looked before, but yeah, him, yeah, he destroyed this whole thing. I have to say what he did change is the tires. When I sold it to him, the tires was finished, but yeah, it's in a very bad condition. Look at this, it's not even working. Yes, I don't know what happened here. It looked like it's a tree or something because brackets are both sides broken off. But the thing is not here I mustn't fix that or what. I must fix the starter because the starter is not working like it's supposed to. So yeah, and I don't know what's going on there. Yeah guys, that happens if you give someone a good machine, they don't look after it and they fucked it up. That is what it is. There's no excuse there. But yeah, the battery is flat. I did put the battery on charge so we can find out what's going on with the starter. And I know it can be the starter or it can be the wiring, because when I had it I replaced the gear here inside and I also changed the flywheel's gears. So I know that both of those are brand new. I did put a brand new battery in 2 years ago, but it looks like they changed the battery for some reason. And the tank, I saw the tank. I don't know if you guys gonna see. Yeah, that's the tank. I told the guy most probably I'm only going to fix the starter because he said he will do the rest by himself, so I'm not sure yet what's gonna happen about that. But yeah, I'll fix the starter and we'll see what happens then. Most probably he's going to ask me to fix all the rest of the stuff. But yeah, the wiring on this thing, it's very horrible. But yeah, that is it. As soon as the battery has been charged, I'll come by part 2 and I'll post part 2. But for now, we need to wash this thing. I took it out yesterday for a ride and it's very filthy. So we need to clean this one. And the guy who brought that one to me, he said he's interested to buy this one. So hopefully he's gonna take this one. I don't know, because that's a piece of junk, honestly. But yeah. One last thing, look at this. Yeah. But I didn't think I will see this thing after 2 years. And that guy, he abused this thing. Like, what the hell is going on here? He like zip tie and put some wires to hold this thing. You're supposed to put a bolt there. Look at the wiring for the ignition. But yeah, it is what it is. If you don't take care of it, it's gonna look like this. Looks like it took a grinder and grinder exhaust. Yeah. Okay, but let's get back to this one. We need to wash it. Well guys, she's not 100%, but she looks a lot better. And the front spotlight, it broke off yesterday, so it has left a chapped. I'll probably make a new bracket for it, but if I'm going to sell it, I'm not gonna fix it because I want to keep the light. And I broke the valve, so yeah. And something I just did realize, I have a new phone for TikTok, so I don't have any photos or anything on this phone. So I'll post on another video how this one used to look like and how it looks now. There's a big difference, but yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Stay tuned. Goodbye. Have a good day.